Hi everyone, Ian from DIY Home Gardening. 1st of July. I'm sat in front of all the elephant garlic because it's harvest time. So let's turn the camera around and have a look, shall we? So you can see those ones where they're missing the tops. That's because I'd taken out the flowering scape when it was forming. I have left on some of the flowering stems, scapes on a few of them, just to see kind of if it made any difference really, and also it was ones that had already started to go over. You can now see that the stems are collapsing to the ground and most of the foliage has turned brown as well, so that signifies it's time to do the lifting. Now they are perennials, so if you don't want to lift you can just leave them in the ground, but I need the space for the pumpkins, so let's start lifting, shall we? So first things first, let's get the fork slightly further away from the stem than you think, just to make sure you're not going to damage it. Look at the size of that. So individual bulb, if you like, but made up of all the separate cloves, and the base there are their corms. So if you replant those, they will also produce plants for you next year. Look at those, just amazing, love it. Every single one, it's just huge. All right, just carry on basically. Okay, so here's the interesting bit. Plants with the scapes removed, all nice and big, chunky. The ones where I left the scapes on to flower are all significantly smaller. So next year I definitely know that I need to remove the scapes on all of them to get big old plants like these. So that's it, harvest of elephant garlic. Look at the size of that, done for another year. I've got plenty of videos on the channel showing how I plant it, look after it, and then harvest ultimately. So yeah, feel free to watch any of them. If you've still got questions, send the questions to me. I'll always do my very best to answer those questions for you. If you've liked the video, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on future videos. And always say it, but just enjoy yourself, have some fun. Obviously, having the little boys, all the sheep behind me, makes things much more enjoyable. And if you normally grow regular garlic, I know this is not quite the same as regular garlic, but give elephant garlic a go. You won't be disappointed.